Michael here. It's been a while since did a video. I'm out here just off the diversion pool on a small creek I like to go to every once in a while. I haven't been there in a couple years. Since the dam broke, this area's been off limits. They opened it up last year, and I decided to come down here. Haven't been down there. It's a little overgrown. You used to be able to get in here a lot easier. Behind me over here is the new bridge they built to get all the stuff up to the top of build the new spillway at Orville Dam. This is the old bridge that I used to walk on when I used to hike. The purpose for today's video is to introduce you to my new hiking partner and camping partner. That would be Beatrix. BB. She's a little mutt. She's a little bit of collie, a little bit of Queen's Highland Shepherd, and something else. I can't remember what, but it was another shepherding dog. So she keeps trying to herd all the other animals at my house. She's still a puppy. Ooh, what was that? But we're getting along, trying to get her used to being outdoors. Beatrix, come. Good girl. No, don't go any further. There's bees all over the place. Hiked up the canyon a little bit, didn't go too far, but like I said, it's been so overgrown up here that it's not easy to maneuver. I'm not even sure. I still got to climb myself out of this little canyon. The walls get pretty steep, but Beatrix is enjoying herself, and good to get out.